How to recover your deleted Gmail account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device, and further you will be led to the login portal. If not, then you can simply tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the add another account option you see there. Further, tap on the Google option you see there and then go ahead and enter the login credentials for the account that you are looking forward to recover. So, enter your email or phone and then tap on next, and further enter the password for the account that you are trying to recover and tap on next again. And with this, your account will be recovered successfully if you are trying to recover your deleted account within 30 days of deletion. So, this is how you can recover a deleted Gmail account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.